40 watts, 4-port USB wall charger. PowerPort 4, for iPhone 7, 6 seconds, plus, iPad Pro, Air 2, Mini, Galaxy S7, S6, Edge, plus, Note 5, 4, LG, Nexus, HTC, and more. View this product details. Anker, 40 watts, 4-port USB wall charger. Anker, PowerPort 4, 40 watts, 4-port USB charging hub for phones, tablets and more. Anker, America's leading USB charging brand, faster and safer charging with our advanced technology. 10 million happy users and counting. Media's choice recommended by the Wall Street Journal, which remarked that PowerPort 4 was a godsend. Advanced charging technology exclusive to Anker, PowerIQ and voltage boost combined to ensure the fastest possible charge, whatever device you have. Does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge. Ultra-powerful 4 ports pump out 40 watts of power, enabling multi-device charging. Simultaneously charge 2 iPads and 2 iPhones at full speed. Multi-product safety system, surge protection, temperature control and more advanced safety features keep you and your devices safe. Super compact, as small and light as a MacBook Air power adapter, the Anker PowerPort 4 is one of the most compact multi-port USB chargers on the market. Rated DO Level 6 for energy efficiency. Awarded the US Department of Energy's highest possible energy efficiency rating, DO 6. World-famous warranty at Anker. We believe in our products. That's why we back them all with an 18-month warranty and provide friendly, easy-to-reach support. For optimal use, use your original cable or a third-party certified one such as MFI. Compatible with Apple and Android smartphones, tablets including the Nexus 7 and other USB charged devices. Thanks for watching this video.